Well, hello, all my leaders who are pickleball players and all my pickleball players who are leaders. Guys, today was really a milestone in my recovery from hip replacement surgery. I was actually able to stand up out of my bed without using a cane or a walker for the first time since surgery. Now, standing up unassisted might seem like a small victory, but for me, it represented progress. It also made me think about all the times that I grew frustrated as a team leader when members of my team would challenge with things that I thought should be really easy. Now, as leaders, it's easy to take our own skills and experiences for granted and expect others to perform at the same level without even considering their unique, challenges and their unique perspectives. Now, on the pickleball court, I've seen similar situations. As experienced players, it's easy to forget how overwhelming the game can be for beginners. Now, today's achievement, or my personal achievement, really reminded me of the importance of empathy and patience in leadership. Just as I needed time and effort to achieve my milestone, others may need time and patience to overcome their challenges. So thanks again for all your support, guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Dr. K, OUT.